Hello, everyone, and welcome to this recorded session of our presentation. We're here to discuss the West 72nd Avenue Bond Project in Arvada. As we approach a key phase, it's important to note that the project is going into a pause while the railroad crossing plans are finalized with the Union Pacific Railroad. Today's information will recap the work completed to date and outline what we can expect moving forward. This reflects the discussions and updates shared by our project team members during the community meeting held on April 10th, 2024. Since March 2022, significant progress has been made on the West 72nd Avenue project. To date, we have completed the roadway expansion to 4 lanes and added medians. Essential infrastructure such as streetlights and traffic signals at Sims, Oak, and Quail Streets are also now in place. Additionally, we've made substantial improvements to stormwater management, water and sewer lines, and have built new sidewalks and bike lanes. We've also added walls and fencing from Swadley Court to Oak Street, enhancing both safety and aesthetics along this corridor. The next couple of slides will feature future work renderings of the work that is going to be completed. Looking ahead, the continuation of our project is subject to final plans and approvals. The next steps involve further enhancements to West 72nd Avenue, focusing on infrastructure that supports an even safer and more efficient travel experience for both vehicles and pedestrians. Details of these plans are currently being finalized, and we anticipate beginning the next phase of construction as soon as we receive the necessary approvals. It's important to note that these renderings of the future work are preliminary and subject to change. Now we're going to talk about the details of the pause. We are currently in April 2024 with plans to finalize and receive approval from Union Pacific Railroad by December 2024. The construction for Phase 3 from Oak to Kipling is expected to start in the spring or summer of 2025 with a project completion in 2027. It's important to note that the Union Pacific Railroad approval process is taking longer than anticipated, and we are working diligently to finalize the bridge plans and the railroad track plans as per the requirements. Now we'll take a look at other work being done for Phase 3, Oak to Kipling. In the upcoming Phase 3, we will be constructing a new detour road and relocating the railroad crossing about 100 feet north. This will involve moving the crossing arms and safety equipment, which necessitates a 4-week closure of 72nd Avenue. Once relocated, we will begin constructing the underpass. Residents should be aware that train horns will be more frequent during this period due to safety requirements when workers are near the tracks. Community impact and benefits. The work we've completed and the future enhancements planned are all geared towards improving the quality of life in Arvada. By eliminating the at-grade railroad crossing, we aim to improve traffic flow and increase safety for bicyclists and pedestrians along the corridor from Kipling to Oak Street. The roadway will be widened, providing more lanes for traffic and adding protected bike lanes and widened sidewalks to ensure the safety of all users. We thank you for taking the time to learn more about the West 72nd Avenue Bond Project. For more information and to receive updates as final approval with the railroad company progresses, please visit our website at arvadaco.gov/west-72nd-avenue. We are committed to keeping you informed every step of the way and appreciate your ongoing interest and support for the project. Thank you.